In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Adobe Acrobat document. Whether you're using the full Adobe Acrobat application or the free Adobe Acrobat Reader, the process is the same, and it only takes a moment. PDFs are designed to look consistent across devices, and Acrobat is built to display them accurately, so starting from inside the app is the most reliable way to open one. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll recognize it by the red icon with the stylized A. If the app has updated recently, you might land on a home or welcome screen. That's perfectly fine. The steps we're about to take work from any screen within the app. Next, move to the very top left of the window and click File. On Windows, you'll see the File menu inside the application window. On macOS, you'll find File in the System menu bar at the top of your screen. This is the same place you'd go in most apps to create, open, or save files, so it should feel familiar. From the File menu, choose Open. This brings up your system's file browser, File Explorer on Windows, or Finder on Mac, so you can navigate to where your PDF is stored. Take a moment here to browse to the correct location. Common spots include your downloads, documents, desktop, or a shared network or cloud-synced folder. If you're not sure where the file landed, use the search field in the dialog to look for the file name or the .pdf extension. When you see the PDF you want, click it once to select it. If your dialog shows a preview pane, you can often confirm you've got the right document before opening. If the file filter is hiding your PDF, make sure the file type selector is set to show PDF files. Double check the name and location so you're opening the intended document, especially if you have multiple versions. Now click Open. Acrobat will load the file, and depending on the size of the document or your system speed, it may take a second or two. If the document is protected, you may be prompted with a notice before viewing. Once it opens, you'll see the page content in the main window. The toolbar across the top provides zoom controls and view options, and the side panel can display thumbnails or bookmarks if the document includes them. That's your confirmation that everything worked. And that's it. By starting in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, selecting File, choosing Open, browsing to your PDF, selecting it and clicking Open, you ensure your document displays exactly as intended and you're ready to read, search, or print.